Hello everyone, today we're going to make banana bread. Usual thing, put on our apron, wash our hands, you don't need to see me doing that. I'm going to put my oven on at 200 degrees to heat that up. Do that now. And then I can show you my ingredients. I've got 225 grams of plain flour, 75 millilitres of sunflower oil, 100 grams of brown sugar. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, and into this I've got 50 grams of sultanas, not just any sultanas, golden sultanas, and I like to put walnuts into mine. Obviously if you've got a nut allergy then that gets missed out, but you don't have to put these 2 ingredients in if you don't want to. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel my bananas and mash them. I've peeled my bananas. Now you might be wondering, they're better when they're black because they're nice and overripe and they've got far more flavour and they're easier to mash. So I'm going to do that with a potato masher. You can do this with a fork, you don't have to use a potato masher, but I find it a lot easier and quicker. There we go, I can get rid of these things. Now, next I'm going to add my sugar, that can all go in, and my sunflower oil. Now you'll see I've got no margarine, I've got no butter, so the sunflower oil is my fat. Mix that all up, flatten down any lumps of sugar. This is a nice easy recipe to do, and lots of people like to eat banana bread. So move your bowl round again. I've got the tea towel underneath so that it stops my bowl from slipping. There we go, all mixed in. So now I'm going to add my flour, my baking powder, cinnamon and my fruit and nuts. And they can all go in at the same time. 3 generous teaspoons of baking powder, so this time slightly rounded. And 3 teaspoons of, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, but my spoon is too big, so I'm actually going to use my ½ teaspoon, so if that's the case I now need to put in 6 ½ teaspoons. Wow, that was a marathon. There we go. And my sultanas and my walnuts, and that all gets mixed in to my banana mixture. And again, the reason for the tea towel is it makes it more easy for me to move my bowl around without scratching the surface or it slipping. So just incorporate all that flour mixture into your banana until it's all mixed thoroughly through and you've got no white powder of the flour on the bottom of your baking bowl. So I'm lifting it to make sure that's all getting mixed in. Nearly there. There we go, and that's how easy it is. Okay, so I'm now going to transfer it into my baking tin. If you've got a loaf liner, you can put that in and you don't have to grease your tin. I choose to do it this way, where I do grease my tin, and I cut a piece of greaseproof paper the width of my tin and let it overlap. So I get it right into the corners, and then I've got a bit that's going to overhang. And the greaseproof paper sticks because of having greased it beforehand. So that helps me when I take the loaf out of the oven and I put it onto my wire, I can pick it up by those edges. So now I'm going to put my mixture into the tin. Just going to get it all in first, and then I can spread it around evenly. Off you come. Now I'm going to take my spatula because it makes things easier to get round the bowl and get all these extra pieces off. So, put that away. Get as much as you can off the bowl. And then you use your little finger to take it off the spatula. One last little bit. There we go, and now I can smooth it down. And get it up to the edges. Now, you're almost baking this particular loaf twice, because we're going to put it in for 20 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, and to stop it getting burnt on the top, we're going to put tin foil on it and then bake it for another 20 minutes till it's lovely golden brown. To make it easier to come out of the oven, I'll put it on a baking tray. And that's it, we're ready to roll. 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Now remember, we're going to do our washing up in between time, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye. That's the banana bread 20 minutes in, and I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to cover it with foil. Okay, so I'm going to cover the banana bread with a tin foil so that it doesn't brown too much on the top. Use my oven gloves. Again, if you're a little late, make sure you've got an adult helping you with this. It's a little bit fiddly and it's obviously going to be extremely hot. So it goes back onto my baking tray, all covered with the foil, and I'm going to put it back into the oven for 20 minutes. So we'll see you later. Okay, I'm ready to take it out now because that's been in for its 40 minutes. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, there we are. Now, you can test it just by putting the skewer in. And there it comes out nice and clean. Okay? Now, I'm going to leave that for a minute sitting as it is. and then I will lift it from there onto my wire to cool off fully. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I've let it rest for a minute and I'm just going to lift it out and put it onto my wire, and then it can cool. You can gently tease the greaseproof off the sides, and then once it's really cooled down you can take it off the bottom, and there you have your banana bread ready to enjoy. Okay, bye just now everybody.